Kindly bear with the background. So I am Vikrant Gaikwad, a medical student, to be more precise, a first professional MBBS student studying in Dr. Al Hospital Medical College, Jalgaon. I recently cleared my NEET a year back in 2018, and I tell you, for that, and even my boards at the same time, I tell you, for both these exams, the biggest hurdle, the biggest hurdle was one subject, physics. And I tell you, I was fortunate, I was very lucky to get a very good guide for physics, which was Jithin sir. So this is kind of a testimonial I'm sharing with y'all. So learning physics was, I always had something kind of a resentful approach towards physics. I don't know why, but I did not like it, or I found it difficult only till I met sir. Sir, he made the concept so easy, he taught me for about a year, and physics became fun. I tell you, literally physics became fun. I learned it in a very good manner, like in a very competitive manner and comparative manner as well. Like whenever I used to have a weekend exam or a weekday exam, I always used to get a kind of target from sir, which I had to accomplish. And if I succeeded in accomplishing my target, I used to get a reward. I used to get a silk or some Cadbury, a big thing as such. But just as a token of appreciation or encouragement, I would say. And if not, the reverse was to be given by me if I failed to achieve my target. So this competitive and comparative manner of learning, it helped me a lot during that 1 year of my intermediate, of my 12th standard. And finally, at the end of the year, I managed to get a medical seat, and also I topped physics in my college in the HSC board examination, of which I definitely deliver a part of credit to Jithin sir. And thank you sir.